students. Good afternoon, Riddhita, Shubham, Ritika, Sahelika, Annesha, Sneha, Pratik, Sustika, Suhid, Raima, Trisa, Vivek, Spriha, Protoy. Okay, anyone else? First of all, students, tell me, how are you? Are you fine? Sangam, don't do this matter again. Okay? I am fine, little bit fine, Suhid, because the corona situation in Burdwan is very much horrible. How are you? Little bit fine, Sneha. Yes, it is very true. Situation is not good. And stay at home, okay, unless a most important work, you do not need to come out from your house. Yes. In our localities, one is positive, Riddhita. Okay, students, first of all, yesterday I have taken a class that of circle, that is chapter number 10 of class 9. Okay, class 9, circle. And I have discussed the term definition of circle, radius, diameter and circumference. And I think up to second I have discussed. Up to second, yes. Up to second I have also discussed. Regarding these 6 or 7 terms here, you have any problem? Have you any problem regarding these terms up to second? Then I will start discuss tangent. No problem, Sneha. Okay, so can I ask a question to you? Then all of you have saying said no problem. That's why I think that one's question can be asked to. Yes, Riddhita. Okay, all of you tell me, secant and chord, are they equal? Secant and chord, are they equal? If they are not equal, why they are not? Tell me the reason. Okay, why they are not equal? Tell me the reason, with reason. No sir, then answer. Why it is not? Why they are not equal? No, it will not running that way by no sir, yes sir. Okay, you have to write the reason. No sir, they are not equal as secant line. Oh, secant is line and chord is line segment. Okay, Vivek answer. Vivek, Riddhita have answered. Riddhita, a chord is line segment and secant is line. Very good. Vivek also very good. Annesa, no sir, because chord is a line segment and secant is line. Very good. Shubham, what is your answer? Secant is line, chord is line segment. Okay, anyone else? Anyone else? Only 1, 2, 3, 4 students. Priyangshu, secant is line. Sneha, no, because secant is line. Yes, yes. Okay, Sneha, you have explained fully. Secant can pass through the any part of the circle, and chord cannot pass through the any part of circle. Riddhita, check your statement. No sir, Suhit, chord is line segment, secant is line. Okay. And some new students have joined. I have watched the list yesterday. Some new students have joined. Who are the new students? Tell me and give your feedback. Who are the new students here? Tell me. Okay, those who are new students, give your feedback. SK Firdausi Rahman, you are the new students. Okay, so Firdausi Rahman, are you enjoying the maths class? My maths class? Yes. How many classes you have done? How many classes you have done? Anyone else? And one thing that type it quickly, beta. Those 5 or 6. Okay. Pratik. Pratik Verma, you are the new student. Okay. Any other? And Isita Kongsobonik. And I have just watched the list that Isita Kongsobonik, a new student. Have you? Are you on the call, Isita? Sangam? Okay, tell me from which school did you come? Oh my God. And how many classes you have done that my maths class? You have joined, you have attended? How many classes you have attended? This is second class. Okay, the first class I think you have started from circle. Okay, have you got the concept of circle? Is there any problem? Is there any problem in circle? Okay. So let's start the class. This was the part of introduction part. So students, let's start. What is tangent? Have you ever heard that word tangent? Ridita, have you ever heard that word tangent? What is tangent? Yes, sir. Okay. So I am writing the definition of tangent. Okay. Especially tangent means tangent can be a curve or any circle is also a curve. So now in our syllabus we will discuss of tangent on circle. Okay. Now I am writing the definition of tangent, that is the line which intersect the circle exactly at one point. Exactly at one point. Okay. Just emphasize on the last few words, that exactly at one point. Exactly at one point means it is, Ridita has written as touch. You can also use the term touch. Okay. Just a circle having center O. Okay. Having center O, just touch it or intersect it at only one point. The line and circle, just meeting point is only one point, not 2 points. Okay, at only one point that line join or line touch the circle. Okay, that is the concept of, that is the, yes Ridita, your definition is okay, that is the concept of tangent. So got it? Yes, in physics we have learned, just previous class you have done that cos theta sin theta. Okay, I will teach you that portion in class 10. That line, it is okay that AB is the line, AB is the tangent, and at point P, line segment join the line join the or touch the circle at P. Got it? Yes? Any doubt regarding the tangent? Tangent means touch or intersect at exactly one point. Okay. Is that a tangent? Is that a tangent? Is that a, no sir? Why it is no? Then what is this? What is this then? It has its name. Okay, it is also a line. It is also a line. What is this? Sangam, only. Sir, sir, how could you understand it touches at only one point? Tangent means you have to make the line touch the circle at one point. Okay, then how can I understand that 1 point or 2 point? So many points are there, but we will take as it is tangent. It signifies, it indicates that line meet the circle at one point. Okay, as it is given tangent. So in mathematics we have to take that line touch the circle at only one point. Okay, yes, that is second. Okay, so Sangam, are you serious in the class? Sangram, are you listening carefully? Okay, tell me what is second. Define the term second. Only Sangam will answer. Only Sangam will answer. What is the within 1 minute? Only Sangam will. No one will answer the question. That question only for the Sangam. Type it quickly, beta. Now from today I will ask one student from one question, okay, because we have lot of time. I want to check who are serious in the class. Anyone, I can ask to anyone. Shubham, you will not give the answer the second. I think you are typing something, but you will not give the answer. A line which passes through the circle is called secant. Okay, please don't laugh if it is wrong. It is not laughing matter, okay, but I have written a definition. Your answer is also right, and no one can say that it is wrong. Okay. So next, so it is not a tangent, it is the secant. Okay. So next term, point of contact. What is point of contact? Contact means touch. Point of contact means at which or at which place the line touch the circle. That point is known as point of contact. Okay, here we have drawn that line AB touch the circle at point P. So here P is the point of contact. Here P is the point of contact. Okay. Here PQ at XQ line segment XQ touches the circle at point A, touches the circle A. Okay. So what is the point of contact in this case? What is the point of contact? Tell me. Yes, Riddhita A, Shubham A. Anyone else? Sneha. Okay, okay, okay. Anyone else? So many students are in the call, but I get few of the get feedback of few of students. Sir, Vivek have, there is 2 A's in figure. Okay, change it. That is A, Y. Ritika, Trisha, and Priya have not answered yet. Priya, where are you? Sohelika, yeah. Sir, may Suhid, may it be a line or line segment? Anyone? Which one, beta? Suhid? That tangent. Tangent must be a line. Point of contact means, okay, for Priya, Suhid, point of contact means a point. That name is point of contact. It means a point that signifies a point of contact. Okay, got it? That the XY line touch the circle at Q, touch that line XY line, the line XY touch the circle at only one point, and that point is Q. XY is the tangent, and at which point the line XY touches the circle, that is Q. So Q is the point of contact. So Q means a point. Q means a point. That is point of contact. Got it, Priya and Suhid? Is the point where the tangent touches the circle? Yes. That is the definition. That is the point where tangent touches the circle. Okay, Suhid? Okay, got it. Priya, is it clear? Riddhita, clear, sir. Okay, I am waiting for. Yes, sir, understood. Okay, very good. So, tangent clear. The tangent means a line which touches or intersects the circle at only only one point. Okay. So, if you are asked that in how many points a tangent touch the circle, tell me. In how many? Yes, 1 point. 1 point. Okay, Vivek, Sangam has said 4 point. Oh my God. Be serious, Sangam. Okay, 1 point. So tangent of a circle means the line which touches the circle at only 1 point, and that point is known as, tell me, what is the name of that point where the tangent touches the circle? Name of the points where the tangent touches the circle. Riddhita's answer, yes, point of contact. Riddhita, wrong answer. Suhit, point of contact, very good. Point of contact, okay, Firdosi, SK Firdosi, okay. Point of contact, okay. Okay, so next portion, some facts on tangent. First of all, Q is an exterior point or interior point. Q is that circle having center O. Q is an exterior point or interior point. You can use that intersect at only 1 point. If you use that word intersect, but it is mandatory to use the term that at only one point, interior point, okay, interior point. So, and now these students, that SK Firdausi Rahman, he is interacting with the class, but one new student, that Ishita, I have forgot her title, she is not interacting in the chat box. Spriha Kanjilal, that is, if there is there any definition of point of contact, you can define it, that point at which tangent, the point at which tangent touches the circle, that is the definition. Okay, just first, before definition, you have to understand what is the concept. Okay, if concept is clear, then you can define it. Okay, so Q is the exterior interior point and O is the center. Now tell me through Q is it possible to draw a tangent? Is it possible to draw a tangent? And if maximum already two answer, yes, no sir. Why it is no? Why it is not possible? Why it is not possible? Why? It will touches the 2 points. Very good. Okay, if I draw a line through Q, it will touches the 2 points. It will touches the 2 points. But according to our definition, we know that tangent means we have to touch the line, not line segment. Line touches the circle 1 point. But here, if I draw a line through any interior points, it will cut the circle at 2 points. That's why it cannot be a tangent. So it is not possible through a interior point a tangent is drawn. Okay, got it? Sir, why tangent cannot touch at 4 points? Just you ask that question. Like, you are a student of Bowdoin Model School. If you ask, I ask, why you are not the student of St. Xavier's? That type of question you have asked. Subham, Sangam, tangent means it touch at only 1 point. Then why do you got the concept of 4 points? It is dealing with only 1 point on the circle. Okay. So it is clear, students. The next point. Next point. The point Q is here. The point Q is here. A single point. A Q is there. How many tangent can be drawn through that point? How many tangent can be drawn through that point? Yes, only 1 point, only 1 tangent. Okay. Sangam means only 1 line can be drawn for a circle. For a circle means only one point through 1 point. 1 point of circle. Sir, it will touch, yes, through 1 point, which is on the circle, through 1 point which is on the circle, one tangent, only 1 tangent can be drawn, only 1 tangent can be drawn. Okay, through a 1 point, we know that through a 1 point many line can be drawn, but in case of tangent, any point on the circle, through that point only 1 tangent can be drawn. Got it? Got the concept, Suhid, Vivek, Spriha, Annesa, Raima? Okay. So now tangent is clear. Now next point, it is very much important point that a circle having center O, P is an interior point, sorry, P is an exterior point, P is an exterior point. Now question is, how many tangent can be drawn from that exterior point on the circle? How many tangent can be drawn? How many tangent can be drawn on the circle? No points. Shubham answer 2, very good. Riddhi the wrong answer, Priya wrong answer. Okay, Vivek wrong answer. Songamohan wrong answer. So listen, from an external point or exterior point, from an exterior point, two tangent can be drawn on the circle, okay, like this. Okay. So from an exterior point, two tangent can be drawn, and that is a one property, the length of the tangent, but we will learn it in class 10, not class 9. Okay. What about the length of these two tangent, one theorem is there. We will learn it in class 10. Got it, student? So from an exterior point, how many tangent can be drawn? Answer 2. Got it? Riddhita, okay sir, okay. Raima, okay. No sir. Pratya is there or not? Pratya is on the class? Is that clear? So students, today I have discussed the tangent and some facts of the tangent. Okay, some facts on the tangent. Next day we will start. We are moving very much slow. Okay, today I have discussed only tangent. Next day I will start the discuss. Which one, beta? Sneha? Which one? That from an exterior point, how many tangent can be drawn? Okay. Circle having center O, just one tangent, okay, that touches at point Q, okay, that touches at the point Q on the circle, and another point, another tangent that is R, okay. So in this way we can draw two tangent, on the circle, okay. Got it? Got it, Sneha? So how many tangent can be drawn from an external point? Okay. Two tangent. Next, a question for you. All of you have to answer. Okay. First question. How many tangent can be drawn through the point Q? How many tangent can be drawn through the point Q to the circle? Vivek, you are confident? Yes, Sangam has written 1, very good. Raima has written 1, Annesa 1, very good. Okay, Sangam, Raima and Annesa. Okay, Sangam, Raima and Annesa. Okay, any other students? Tell me quickly. Priya Kanjidal, your answer? So, some students are very much seriously they are watching the video, I think. They are very much carefully doing the class, math class. Just Q is an interior point, Q is the interior point, and now you are saying that one tangent can be drawn through the point Q. How can you draw? If you draw a line, it will intersect at 2 points, and tangent means 1 point. Then how can you draw this tangent? Sangram, Annesa and other students have answered 1. Raima also. Okay, now you got the concept, Annesa? Vivek has answered 0. And next, that is P point. Type it quickly, everyone. How many tangents can be drawn from the point P? How many tangents can be drawn from the point P? Yes, already you have answered 2. Okay, you know that sir will ask that question. Okay. So, watch the video carefully, everyone. Okay, just log in the account and video is going on, and your mind is flying another place, that is not doing the class. Okay, take it seriously. How many tangent can be drawn through this point Y? Okay, okay, Raima, very good. Or Sangam, very good. Okay, Srisa, 17 students, Ritika, okay, 2. Stop. How many tangent can be drawn through the point Q? How many tangent can be drawn through the point Q? Okay. Okay. How many tangent can be drawn through the point Z? How many tangent can be drawn through the point Z? Yes, very good. Well done. Well done, class 9 fine. And last question. How many tangent can be drawn from the point through the point X? How many? 2. Okay, okay. I think you got the concept. So last question. At how many points a tangent touch the circle? At how many points a tangent touch the circle? Yes, a line which touches the circle at only one point, that line is known as tangent, not line segment, not ray, that line. Okay, I hope you got the concept of tangent. Next day I will discuss the arc. Okay, and student Riddhita, Suhit, Spriha, Sneha, have you enjoyed the class or feeling bored? Okay.